Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPad runs a recent iOS and you have an Apple ID for the App Store. Tap to download Gboard, then open Settings to add a new keyboard. Once added, allow full access only if you want features like glide typing and search. Otherwise, use basic typing. This first step gets the keyboard active so you can switch to it in any app. Do that now to move on to layout and customization. Now you customize Gboard so it works the way you type. Open Gboard app or keyboard settings to choose themes, add languages, and enable glide typing, voice input, and the emoji/search bar. Make sure clipboard suggestions are on if you want copied items handy. Practice switching keyboards with the globe key or by holding the spacebar. This makes language switching instant. Once done, try typing in Notes to feel the layout, and adjust and finish by using Gboard's advanced tools. Swipe on the spacebar to move the cursor, use two-finger drag to select text, and tap the search icon for web, GIF, or translate without leaving your app. Make sure language packs and voice permissions are granted so features work smoothly. If the keyboard lags, isn't appearing, or shortcuts fail, toggle full access off and on, force quit the app, or reinstall Gboard. That usually resolves permission or cache problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.